Hello and welcome. If you're a QA engineer or embedded software developer in the healthcare or medical device industry, you deal with constant technical validation challenges. Whether it's Bluetooth connectivity, data syncing, power efficiency, or sensor response, every feature in a wearable device needs thorough, repeatable testing. But writing detailed test scripts for each of these scenarios manually can be slow, repetitive, and difficult to scale. That's where Copilot for DevOps AI comes in, which helps to generate test scripts directly from Azure work items. Let's take a look at how it works. We have a user story in Azure DevOps. The title and description are already filled out with the Bluetooth connection workflow and fallback conditions. Now, we'll open Copilot for DevOps directly from the Azure work item. Go to the Generate feature. Select Test Script from the Generate drop-down menu. Next, choose the input fields from the given drop-down menu. This tells Copilot which parts of the work item it should analyze. Then, open the Framework drop-down and select PyTest as the output format. You may also choose from other supported test automation frameworks. Next, click Generate. Within a few seconds, Copilot for DevOps generates a full Python-based test script using PyTest. It validates Bluetooth pairing, data transmission, and reconnect fallback behavior as defined in the work item. This script can be handed off to your QA team or integrated into your CI testing workflow. You can click the copy button in the bottom right corner and paste the output into any work item. Next, you can create a new work item by clicking Create Work Item. Fill in the form to select the work item type, the field to populate, define the link to the original, and click Create. Or you can add it directly to the current work item by clicking Add to Field. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the target field and whether to insert the output at the top, bottom, or replace the existing content. Here you can see that the current work item has been updated with the generated test script and pseudocode. Now, let's also generate the pseudocode for the same work item. Again, open Copilot for DevOps from the same work item. From the Generate dropdown and select pseudocode. Again, choose the same input fields. Then, in the Programming Language dropdown, select pseudocode or another preferred language. Next, click Generate. Copilot for DevOps will produce structured pseudocode that outlines the logic behind the connectivity flow, helpful for aligning early with system architects or development leads before implementation begins. And that's how Copilot for DevOps helps healthcare engineering teams streamline validation of complex device workflows without starting from scratch. If you're ready to speed up your planning, testing, and development process, start your 15-day free trial of Copilot for DevOps today. Thanks for watching.